Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the ECS Elitegroup Liva Z5 Plus, a compact yet powerful mini PC that promises big performance in a small footprint. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Liva Z5 Plus sports a mostly metal chassis, which not only adds to its durability but also aids in heat dissipation. It's compact enough to mount discreetly behind a monitor, making it ideal for minimalist setups. The front panel features convenient access with USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and a USB-C port, though it's worth noting there are no rear USB ports. Under the hood, our model packs an Intel Core i5-1335U processor, equipped with 10 cores and 12 threads. It's paired with Intel Iris Z graphics, which handle everyday tasks and light gaming quite well. The 16GB of DDR4 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, though the choice of DDR4 over DDR5 does impact bandwidth. Connectivity options are robust, with dual 2.5 GB LAN ports and support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Video outputs include two HDMI 2.0B ports and a DisplayPort 1.4, offering flexibility for multiple display setups. However, the limitation of only one USB-C port and no rear USB ports may be a downside for some users. One of the highlights is its upgradability. The Liva Z5 Plus allows easy access to its internals, where you can expand the memory up to 64GB and add additional storage via the M.2 slot. It's a user-friendly design for those who like to tinker and customize their setups. Out of the box, it comes with Windows 11 Pro, ensuring compatibility with the latest software and security features. The system runs quietly and efficiently, thanks to its 15W power cap, which also keeps energy consumption low. So, should you consider the ECS Elitegroup Liva Z5 Plus? If you're looking for a compact, well-built mini PC that handles everyday tasks with ease and offers room for upgrades, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you need more graphical power or extensive USB connectivity, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the ECS Elitegroup Liva Z5 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.